Hello everyone, my name is Gussie Waring of UFOSightsDaily.com. What we're looking at is a photograph taken by Dawn satellite that took a picture of Vesta, Asteroid Vesta, back in 2011. This was kind of overlooked a lot, I guess, and I really want to bring it to you guys' attention. There's quite a few structures in this. It looks like a crater with some structures inside, but its depth would say it's not a crater, and its design would also say it's not a crater. I will bring it into focus a little bit more. You can see the white structure all around here and over here. There is a structure over there. Also, if I raise up the detail a little bit, not for this one, I kind of lost the focus of this one. I'm looking at this. Can you see this? Eye, nose, mouth. This is a face. This is not a crater. This is not on the ground, people. This is above the ground. It's leaning over, okay? It's like a tower that's leaning over, a disc-shaped tower. Very unusual, but it does look like it's, this part right here is the shape of a face, and coming out here is like Indian feathers of some sort. Also, there's another structure over here. Let's see if I can make that a little bigger. Yes, I can, but it really loses focus. Now, in the original photo, it looks like this. Okay, but I tried to sharpen the image. There we go. So we can see the structures a little bit better. And over here you see some towers and structures. Sorry, when I grab the mouse you can see the original. This is the original. This is focused. Original, focused. Quite a bit of detail that we're not allowed to see. A bit too much focus there, sorry. Okay, here we go. Right here, you see some structures here, and you can see a little bit on the inside. If I click on it, you can see in the original, but from focusing it took some things out of focus and put other things in focus. When I move up to here, I'm moving down. Okay, I'm moving down from this crater. Now, as I move across, there is another face right over here. Now this face is next to a square structure. Do you see the square above my cursor? See my cursor right there? Let me make it bigger. Here is the face, nose, mouth, ear. This will be hard to see. The structure right here, the square structure, is not hard to see. There's another face right over here, and possibly one up here. Let's come up a little bit more. Zoom out. Oh, here we are right here. Okay, when I zoom in over here, there's a structure, kind of a tower on this side, right here and down here. See if I can bring it into focusing. Can you see the tower? Now, if you have a cell phone, I suggest you take it out and look at the screen with your cell phone camera. You'll be a little bit surprised at the detail. Right here on your cell phone, you'll be able to see there is a black structure. On the video, you won't see it as clearly. Here are some more black structures. There are 3 right now on screen. One, see this black structure here with the legs, black legs coming out as support. Obviously this is some kind of flying structure that landed and it uses the legs as support. I imagine advanced structures are portable. Here's another one right up here. The bottom part has been blurred a little bit by NASA. And there's another one right here. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3. There's three structures. And this is very close to a cube. And if I move down, you're going to see a cube. Right down here, do you see the cube? Let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay, right here, there's a black cube. Now we're looking at the top of this building. It's a little hard to see. It's right above my cursor. Can you see the black cube? It's three-dimensional. It is too perfect. It is everything we would expect an alien structure to be. It has 4 sides on it, has a length, a width on it, all 90-degree angles. So there's quite a bit of structures in here that are worth looking at. And let me put it back to original. Okay, this is original. The cube is a little bit harder to see now, isn't it? Okay. The cube is hard to see, and above it, the black structures are a little bit hard to see here and here. But let's bring back in the focus. Okay, there we go. Now you can see it really well. All right, let me pause for a second. Pull out your cell phone, put it on photo or video, try both. Each one shows a different focus. And look at the cell phone screen. Look at the computer screen with your cell phone camera. I suggest you make this full screen on your computer so you can see it better. It will be in HD on YouTube. If you can, if you prefer, you can go to the original website. Okay, this is the URL to the website. If you want to see the original photo taken by NASA, this is a NASA website. Just go there and you will find it. It's pretty amazing and hard to believe that these structures are there. Now let me zoom out. I'm zooming out. Now these 3 structures, 1, 2, 3, and the cube, where are you, little cube? Cube is, I gotta zoom in to see the cube. Right here, I guess. And it's right up here next to this giant structure. You zoom into this big structure. Okay, this is the original color. And this is altered color. Okay, let's try to put it back in the original. Slowly change it so you can see it changing. Are you ready? I'm going to start now. Now, I suggest you take out your cell phone again and look at it through the photo lens and see if you can see any detail. That's a little bit too much. I will adjust it down. That seems about right there. Okay, zooming out. While you have your cameras, here is the face I want to show you. Unique face. I don't believe I've ever found one like that before. It's very close to this structure down here. It's right here. And as you see, if you look through your cell phone, it is not a crater. It is leaning over. It is a building or a structure of some sort, perhaps even a ship. Okay, let's go down and look at the cube again. Where are you, cube? Here we are. Okay, 1, 2, 3 black structures, and the cube is a little bit far down here. Let's make it bigger. Here's the cube. My cursor is circling the cube. It looks like there's another smaller cube right next to it, much darker. remember, if you're looking at this in full screen and you're holding up your cell phone, you will see much more detail than you see right now. But this is absolutely amazing. I really wanted to share these structures. One, see the legs coming out of this one? Two, this one is partially covered up by a square frost that NASA put over the bottom part, only about 25% sticking out the top. And this one, also blurred a little bit by NASA with some kind of frost cover, but you can still see it. But if you have a cell phone, it will virtually erase the covering that NASA put on it. Alright, my name's Scott C. Waring of UFOSightings.daily.com. Check us out sometime. Thank you very much.